Hey faithful people, welcome back to my channel. It is crazy, like the wind and whatever cars is driving on the highway is super loud. But me and my family are going to Sight and Sound. I hope y'all enjoy it. I'm gonna have like little clips. I'm sure I cannot record during the show. Say hi. Hi. See you later. Currently trapped in the car with Zachary, squishing me.
I'm not squishing yo.
Where's your lip gloss
highlighter and the other sister.
B. It's cornfield. I think.
This is not corn.
Hold on, pause it.
Scooter bike. It's a scooter bike.
Where are the animals?
Where's the cows when you need one?
Oh, real farm road. Why be
real
here?
farmer for real.
That's what they do. They farm. Like,
Nice.
These are the cowboy.
Oh my gosh, Joseph is doing that,
That's
bro.
not lambs, those are goats.
Yeah, cowboy.
Joseph was all up in that field, boy.
yo, I feel like I'm on a roller coaster. What's going on?
He's
Yo,
rolling.
look at the cows.
Okay.
Yo, look.
That's small.
Cows.
We are here. Daddy, say hi to my vlog. Oh, my shoe is untied.
Can you stop and tie it?
I have my own personal shoe tire.
I'm just tied by my mask.
Ew. Thanks.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
As soon as I walked in, I smelled those almonds, y'all, the roasted almonds. Y'all, this is my favorite part about Sight and Sound, guys. Yes. Showtime. We left my father at the almond booth because the line was so long. So now we gotta meet him, get some almonds, and then we'll be in the show.
I want to taste it.
Okay, just pour it in my hand.
I remember the taste.
Look at these fiends, bro.
It's warm. You want some?
Yeah, I do. I do want some. So this is intermission. We're gonna get some snacks and stuff. The line is crazy. It is out of control. It's all the way over there. So I just lost my phone, right? After the show, we just spent like a good 30 minutes looking for it and everything. The family sitting outside of the car, waiting. But yeah, I found it. So I get to continue to vlog. Yay. So we just got to a buffet and we're going to eat. So I'll see y'all later. Perfect day to give that special person a gift. Are you just recording me? Special
That is so tired.
Don't record me. You can record me.
What does your fortune cookie say?
Yes. There is a way to everything you want.
There's a way for everything you want.
There's a way to everything. I thought this was a fucking network. How about another for dummies? They do it like that.
It says, we are what we repeatedly do. Oh, excellence then is not an act, but a habit. Chandelier. Okay, we're headed home now. The night is over. I feel like we probably can't see anything in the car, but bye. Everybody say bye. Say bye.
Yeah, make it right over there.
Because this should have
Uh-huh.
Stay blessed.